Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is study tables crafty ideas. Get crafty and personalize your study space with dye projects. Upcycling materials from functional decor items is not only eco-friendly but also adds a personal touch in your setup. Plus, it's a great way to impress your friends with your artistry skills. Transform a corner of the study room into a comfortable reading nook with a cozy chair, a small bookshelf, and a soft lighting. A cozy and well organized study room with a study table against one of the walls. The sun rays gently pours in through the windows, illuminating the room with a warm glow. Books, stationery, and decor items adorn the shelves. Welcome to our study room. Today we will explore some creative study table decor ideas to make your study space both functional and inspiring.